Hi everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Maths, question number 14. 韩妹妹 bought a piece of clothes 7 meters long and she cut 4 equal pieces of length 128 centimeters. Now here is centimeters, but previous we got 7 meters. So this is a conversion of units here. And each to make 5 cell phone ports. She cut the remaining clothes. Okay, here, remaining clothes. Let me use black color pen. Remaining clothes. So at first, 7 meters long, which is 700 centimeters close, and 4 pieces use 128 centimeters times 4. Use a calculator to calculate. 128 times 4, 512 centimeters to make 5 pouches. Okay, the remaining 700 minus 512, 188 centimeters long. Remaining clothes cut equally into each piece, equal pieces. Each one is 47. 188 divided by 47. 188 divided by 47. The answer is 4. So 4. How many pieces of 47 centimeter clothes did she have? Here, remaining 47 centimeters. Alright, the answer is 4 pieces. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.